In March, Prime Minister Julia Gillard announced a crackdown on 457 visas. Following Immigration Minister Brendan O'Connor's claims, employers are not trying hard enough to recruit Australian workers. Philippine citizen Kirby Dungo says she has worked hard to gain sponsorship for her visa.
It's a really great help for me to get my 457 visa. I feel sorry for Australian people as well because it seems like it's not fair because we're just from overseas and then it should be prioritized with the Australian people. But we work really hard. For me, it's really deserving too for those people who work hard. So I'll give you a sponsorship because you work very hard.
In an interview with ABC News Breakfast, former Queensland Premier Peter Beattie said the 457 visas are a necessity in a global economy. In order to employ someone under the 457 scheme, sponsors have to prove that no Australians could correctly fill the position. Restaurateur Kylie Wright says the 457 visas are an asset to Australian employers.
There is a long process involved in hiring or sponsoring someone on a 457 visa. As an employer, it would be a lot easier for me to put an ad in the local paper. It's not just something a decision you make on a whim. You take people on their merits. If I've employed someone and sponsored them to be in the country, I have a guaranteed employment for 4 years. So overall, I'm very happy with the 457 visa. I'm very happy that we chose to sponsor Kirby, and I wouldn't hesitate to sponsor another person on the 457 visa.
Temporary business long stay or subclass 457 visa was designed to give employers access to workers when there is a shortage in their field. The visa means that workers can stay in Australia for up to 4 years. However, they must continue working for their sponsor in the role they were sponsored for.
There's an exchange. If you work hard, you gain from them. You have to give your loyalty for them because you owe them a lot as well. That's for your future.
Kristie-Lee, Clifford, Newsline, Melbourne.